Good morning, Buenos Dias. Today is day 15 of my 28-day fitness challenge, and today I'm going to give you a little lesson about gym etiquette. This is both for beginners and the more advanced people, that don't like to use gym etiquette. You know who you are. First off, do clean up after yourself. So re-rack your weight, that is needed. You don't want somebody to trip all over your weight, do you? No, you don't. And also, cleaning up after yourself also means to wipe off your sweat. Yes, wipe off that nasty sweat that you have left behind because you have worked so hard. Yes, I am so proud that you worked so hard for that sweat, but do not leave it there. That's gross. And another thing, do not go lean on the squat rack and talk to your homie, for hours. And of course, give those people that are working out space. They need the space to do the movement. If they are in between a rep and you see them that they're looking at the mirror, walk behind them. Don't cross in front of them. They are trying to focus and you just going all over. They could lose the train of thought. They can lose how many reps they're counting, and that means a lot. I don't know if you know, but I hate losing count when I'm like, did I do 10 or did I do 15? Well, crap, I'm gonna have to do 5 more. But no, it's not that big of a deal, but it's just common courtesy. And lastly, when you see that new person coming into the gym, because you will notice that they're new, be kind to this person because they have come in and they probably look like a deer in the headlights. It's just scary. It's a scary atmosphere. You see some people grunting, some people throwing things. It's a lot for a new person. If you don't remember, you used to be new. So be kind to those people that are coming into the gym and trying to change their life and become a better person. You should applaud them for actually coming in and encourage them to push forward and feel welcomed in this gym. So there you go, that's my little gym etiquette 101. If you guys have any more, do comment those down below. Any that you really feel with a passion, anything that's happened, any crazy things that has ever happened to you, do comment that down below. Oh, that reminds me. So there was, I wanna go back to the space thing. I was doing a glute bridge one time and there was this guy, out of nowhere, he came behind me and started doing deadlifts. I'm like, I'm on the floor, dude. Like, what are you doing? Back up. Give me my space. I'm right here. Come on. But anyway, so do give people space, and if you have any more gym etiquettes or crazy stories, do comment below. Sorry about that, you guys. All right, now, today is leg day. Yes. Now let's go into the workout.
Alright you guys, before the workout, make sure you warm up on the Stairmaster and stretch right afterwards. You want to get warm and loose for this workout. All the workouts are 4 sets of 10 reps, so keep that in mind as we go through. The first workout is a superset. We're doing front squats and kickbacks. The second workout is another superset. We're doing Romanian deadlifts. That's where you have a slight bend in the knee. This targets more of the hamstring. And we're also doing side lunges. With this workout, we're actually doing 4 sets of 10 reps on each leg. For the fourth workout, we're doing a sumo squat. last workout is going to be ball pulses. I know this looks a little silly, a little different, but if you go into a corner or go into the studio room like I am here, there's nothing to worry about.
Welcome back, you guys. I hope you enjoyed that workout. If you aren't using gym etiquette, do it. Do it. People around you are noticing. We notice when you aren't using it. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can keep up to date with my 28-day fitness challenge.